Hi guys, so today we're gonna be making this paper rose. It's very easy to make. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please watch till the end. So for this project you're gonna need 4 square sheets of A4 size paper or any paper you have. All of them have to be squares and roughly the same size, and optional, these green papers. You'll need green papers to make the stem, which I'll make, but this is completely optional. And you'll also need some glue and also scissors. So that's it, let's get started. So guys, first of all, take your square sheets of paper and make diagonal folds. Like this. Make diagonal folds on all corners and then fold it. Start folding it. Fold it in half, then again in quarters, and again fold it again like this, and do this thing for all of them and use the scissors to cut a petal shape like this. Then open it up to check whether it's okay or not. My one's perfect, so I'm gonna use that for all of the other measurements. Then repeat this for all other papers. So guys, I'm already done with this part. You'll have to make sure that all of them are the same size, or else you'll get size variation in the petals of your rose. Then open all of them up like this. So yeah, I'm done. Next, what you're gonna do is take your scissors and cut it like this. Cut out one petal. So we are left with 7 petals here and 1 petal here. Next, do the same thing but cut 2 petals instead. Now we are left with 6 petals here and 2 petals here. Next, cut out 3 petals like this. You're left with 3 petals here and 5 petals here. Next, cut it exactly down the middle. So this is optional, I really don't need it, but I will still use it to make my rose more petals. For this one, look, I have basically used the same thing twice. This will basically do nothing much but make your rose look a bit fuller. So yeah, and next what you're gonna do is we'll just cut like this. So 1 petal, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We have all of them. So that's it. Now take some glue and start gluing up your petals. Put some glue here. Okay, this glue is, this glue actually does annoy me when it's time to make my videos. Whatever. Next, glue it up like this. do the same thing here. Then look, like this. Then this petal, like this. After making this petal, we'll basically keep doing this all the way till the end. But there's a problem with this petal and this petal. For them, you'll glue them like this. Take some glue just on the edge, like this, and then put it on like this. And the step is almost the same for the petal. Yeah, next what you're gonna do is sorry, it got off camera. Glue it up like this. So basically just glue all of them up the way I'm showing. So guys, look, I'm done with all. Basically just glue the petals like I did here, and then you'll start to curl up these petals just to give your rose a bit more, yes, just to make it look a bit more fuller. Like this. Keep doing it all of the petals. Like this. So guys, I'm done. Next, we'll start gluing all of them up. Look, like this. Put them on top of each other. It already looks like a rose, so let me do this. You can also use hot glue for this. So guys, that's the finished rose. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, share and subscribe. And I've decided I'll show you guys how to make this. If you like this, please comment down below if you want to see it. Bye.